I'm Marta, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm here with my Kind of Me. I found these t-shirts on clearance. Well, if I can get it off, I was going to show you. At Walmart the other day for $1. So I bought myself one because I needed shirts, and I bought her one so she could have an outfit that matched mine. Today I have Happy Meal. I'm so lucky. This is from Sara at Octopudding, and if you do not know her channel, I recommend that you go find it. She is incredible. She does all sorts of things on her channel. She does unboxing, she does smart doll clothes and Blythe clothes, but the main focus for me is her impressive crocheting. She makes little bitty animals that dolls could hold, and she takes you through the entire process and makes it all look easy. I crochet. I used to make, many moons ago, I made my kids toys all the time. One Christmas, we didn't have any money, and I made each of my kids I had 3 sons, each of my sons an Afghan and stuffed toys and such. I crocheted all day. Anyway, go see her channel. You will be amazed, and you will stay because she has the coolest voice to top it off. This is from Sara, and I got a Polly Pocket. Oh, how cute is she? I like Polly Pockets. See if I can get her out real quick. Uh-oh, shoes came off, which is dangerous because these fit my mini Blythe. Oh, aren't they adorable? Oh my goodness, look at that. Tiny, 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 tiny. There is a card. Just to say, have a lovely day. Hi, Marta. Just a little happy mail to say thank you to both yourself and Darren for the lovely videos and great challenges and collaborations. All the best. Keep safe, Sara. How nice. Thank you, Sara. This is so fun to get happy mail. Look at this. There is some sort of jewelry in this. I love these little tool bags. They have a name. Can't think of it. Oh, I love seahorses. Thank you so much. Oh, look at these guys. Thank you, Sara. I'll bet you she is crafty. I'll bet she made those. I'm going to have to get something for the end card. You know, I wonder if you can see them better on here. How's that, Darren?
That's same.
Good. We'll get something so those can be seen. And then there's some stuff wrapped for Petite Blythe. You know I love my mini Blythes. And this is wrapped so cute. And look at her little sticker. And what a cute little tag, too. Just want to point that out. You know what? I'm going to put this in my book. I save the cards and like stuff like this from my Happy Meals, and I put it in a notebook, kind of a journal, and I write down what people sent. Oh, look at this. Oh my. Oh, look at that tiny little stitches. Oh, that is adorable. And the little headband. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. And another little sticker. Again, I'm going to save that for my notebook. And oh my goodness. Look at that. How does that open? I don't want to yank it. Oh, it's an actual little button. Let me, I should probably have my glasses on. Oh my goodness, that is fantastic. You know, you look at these little things and you think it didn't take long. The little items that you crochet take as long as larger things because you use a smaller hook. And a lot of times, not always, but a lot of times there are as many stitches as this would be in a larger size because they're brought down to scale. Oh, God, you know what? I don't want to put her stand over that. I don't want to take a chance with her stand. And there's more. My goodness, Sarah, this is incredible. Again, I'm saving that. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, look at these charms. Wow. I have been collecting up charms to use for the back of Blythe strings and on clothing. These, first thing I thought of, well, yeah, Alice in Wonderland. That's exactly what I thought of. That must have caught my eye. Look at the rabbit. Oh, and the sea. I absolutely love seahorses. Look at this, the little birds. Oh, I will be using these. Thank you. Oh, gosh, this is so cute. Now, that looks like her little Octopudding. Oh, gosh, that's cute. That is her little logo. You will recognize that when you see the link below to Sarah's channel and you go there. This is what you're going to see. Oh, my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love fancy beads. Love them, love them. Oh my goodness. Little bitty pumpkins. Oh my goodness. And glittery. Oh wow. Look at the Barbie pin. Or is that a barrette? I think it's a barrette. How cool is that? Here are, oh God, these are so cute. Look at these little hair clips. Those could fit any doll. Those would really be cute on my American Girls and 18-inch dolls. Oh, look at that. They pinch like this. Oh gosh, that is adorable. And she has a Blythe on her business card. If you want to stop your video, you can see where all she is and how to spell Octopudding. That is very, very cool. And she does smart dolls. Again, her card with the smart doll. I don't have a smart doll. I've thought about it. And another picture. I'll bet that's her own doll. Because 5 will get you 10. She made that outfit and the shawl. It's just beautiful. I cannot thank you enough. Go visit her channel. Like I said, you'll like her. She's very clever, comes up with the cutest ideas. And if you want to learn to crochet, or if you crochet, she takes you through the whole process of little stuffed animals for dolls, clothing for dolls, all kinds of stuff. I mean, all kinds of stuff. And she just unboxed a whole bunch of, I know you all, a lot of you all are Cindy doll fans. She just unboxed several that you'll want to see. Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.